up, y'all? I'm KAHLEIAELORIA. Welcome back to my channel. And y'all, this video is strictly for my burpers. So if this is not your type of video, if this disgusts you, please click out, because I totally understand. But we're about to go ahead and get into some of these pops today. I have a Dr. Pepper cherry that I haven't had before, so I'm excited to try that. I also have a Mountain Dew. It's called Baja Flash with Baja and pineapple coconut flavor. So I've never had that either. And then last but not least, we have Canada Dry. Of course, I done had Canada Dry before. Y'all, I really used to hate ginger ale back in the day. Like, it had to grow on me. So let's go ahead and get into this first one. Ooh, it's like red. And then let's go ahead and open up. See how my pinky is hurt, broken, sprained. I really don't know. I was involved in a car accident a couple days ago, so I'm a little in pain. And last but not least, we got coconut dry. Alright, y'all, so we got all of our drinks here in front of me. So let's just go ahead and get started. I just want to try this because this looks so good. It tastes like a real strong Dr. Pepper. Like, see me, this is good. Y'all, that's bomb. I highly recommend that one. Pardon me. Excuse me. So let's try this one. This one I'm not really excited for. It's Mountain Dew. I'm not really a fan of Mountain Dew. Plus, I just read that it has coconut in it. That's nasty. But cheers. Ugh. All I taste is coconut, y'all. Excuse me. That is disgusting, but it's getting the job done. Oh, this is nasty. Oh, God, y'all. This is nasty. If you like coconut, this is definitely for you. Yeah. I'll have to pass on that one. Excuse me. Let's get into this Canada Dry. Get that coconut taste out of my mouth. Ugh. Ooh, that's tasty. So, excuse me. Of all my pops here, first, second, I'm not even giving that third because it's real nasty, y'all. It's too much coconut. And y'all, I love Baja Blast from Taco Bell. OMG. But this? We ain't gotta do that one. Excuse me. Yeah, that's nasty. Oh. It's definitely a Dr. Pepper. And I don't even like dark pop, but root beer and Dr. Pepper is the only dark pop I will partake in. Pepsi and cola, it does nothing for me. Excuse me. Unless I have some like alcohol with it. But dang, that is a bomb. Excuse me. Let's go back to our Canada. So good. I do like the lemonade Canada Dry. And they have black cherry too. So good. so good. I can't even finish this, y'all. I would love to finish that drink just to get my burps out. Excuse me. But it's just nasty. I don't like coconut. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And if you want to see more burping videos, just let me know down below. Peace. Uh-oh, wait. Peace. Peace. Excuse me.
Bye.